Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you another 30-minute Dutch oven dish. And hey, just for fun, let's do it on the campfire. So you just got in for camp, tired, you're hungry from doing whatever you've been doing for the day. Today I got a creamy chicken and rice you can do in about 30 minutes on your Dutch oven, right on your campfire. So having all these ingredients prepared ahead of time is going to be the trick to doing this in 30 minutes. There's not a lot. We got some minced garlic. And you know, every Dutch oven dish that's any good starts out with some bacon. I got some chicken broth right there. I got some cubed up chicken, about 1-inch pieces. That's going to be important. Cut down this cook time. And here we have the mirepoix, celery, onions, carrots, and I'm going to put some mushrooms in. If you don't like them, don't put them in there. I also got some cream of chicken soup. Campbell's, get the good stuff. That's going to be the creamy part. 2 cups of parboiled rice. We got some seasonings of salt, pepper, and we're going to get this all ready to go. But first, let's go get our big 12-inch Lodge Dutch oven. Let's go get that on the fire. Get it preheat. You notice I got this fire is burnt down. Don't want a roaring fire for this. You want a cooking fire, and those coals are plenty hot. So while our Dutch oven's getting ready, let's go ahead and let's finish up our prep with our veg. I've got my super great DALSTRONG knife here, and I've tried a lot of these guys, and every one of them I really love, but somehow I keep gravitating back to this one. It's the Chris. I really love the design of it. If you like to check out the DALSTRONG knife series, and there's a lot of them, there's something there for everyone. I'm going to leave you the description down below to where you can go check them out, and I got a great discount code right down in the description box. It's going to save you a bunch of money on your purchase, so check it out. Like I said, these mushrooms are optional. I know I get people all the time like, alright, you put mushrooms in there, you just ruined it. May have ruined it for you, but it didn't ruin it for me. Just leave them out if you don't like them. I started to see that little bit of oil in that Dutch oven starting to smoke. We'll go ahead and put in our bacon. Oh, man, that fire is hot. So let's go ahead and give that a little minute. Get a little rendering going on. And we'll get our chicken in. So that bacon's starting to look brown. Go ahead and dump all of my chicken in. This was 4 chicken thighs deboned and cut up into chunks. Use whatever cut you like. I really like the thighs. Go ahead and adjust our fire just a little bit. really hot toward me over here. I'm trying to get that more into the pot. So our goal is to do this in about 30 minutes. So let's go ahead. Chicken's starting to brown a little bit. Pretty much dump dish here in with the Mirepoix. Put in the garlic and the shrooms. Got a quick little stir down. Letting that all marry together. Let those sweat for just a minute. The fire's still pretty hot. Alright, let's go ahead and give her a little seasoning. I got one of my favorite like chicken seasonings there. Go ahead and put a little bit of that on there. You know we're going to go in with the rice, so we're going to need some salt. Just a little. Alright. Now it's going to take all the heat out of the pot. 1 quart of chicken broth. Alright. 2 cups of rice. We may have to keep our liquid check. We'll let that come back to simmer. Then I'll show you how we adjust the heat. Alright, so it didn't take long for that to come up to simmer. I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. Had it sitting there on the 4-in-1 tool. If you don't have one of these 4-in-1 tools, suggest getting one. Alright, so I'm already on the top notch here with my trammel. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just start moving some of these coals out from under the pot and out to the outskirts. So I just want it to simmer along. If you know anything about cooking rice, okay, lower the heat the better, and this will be done in about 20 minutes from now. So we'll check on it in a minute and see how that fire adjustment went, and if it's still cooking too fast, we'll move it out just a little farther. Alright, so this is completely done, and now we're going to come to the creamy part, I'm going to go ahead and put in, let's see, I still want to start with about half of our can of our cream of chicken. And just going to kind of, that's going to, yep, we're going to use that whole can. And that's going to give another dimension to our chicken and rice. It's going to make it really creamy. Get my wooden tool, because I know you guys hate me using metal tools on my Dutch oven, but I wish you guys were here to smell this. Alright, we got just a little crispness on our rice at the bottom, and that's perfect. Okay, just that little bit of brown on the rice on the bottom is going to add so much flavor. So I just walked over to the garden and grabbed a sweet onion leaf from one of our plants we got growing over there. Go ahead and just make a little garnish. I'm cutting that on the bias. And it's going to be delicious too. That should be about enough. Alright, let's bring over a plate. Let's plate this up for you. That off to the side there. Let's go over and get some of our beautiful creamy chicken and rice. Tell you what, I wish you guys were here to smell it. Alright, a few of those sweet green onions right over the top. There you go. Chicken and rice on the campfire in about 30 minutes.
If you would like a beautiful full color recipe in PDF format that you can keep on your phone, send me an email below to get it for free, or you can buy it right now at Etsy with the link in the description box below.
So you want a bite of that? I know you do. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test here. That is truly comfort food at camp right there. That rice is cooked perfectly, so is everything else. Dump that all in there at the same time. It all got ready at the same time, and it turned out really, really super awesome. So if you like what we're doing, please smash that like button right down there for another great Backwoods Gourmet video. It's gonna be right up there, and for a whole playlist of cast iron and Dutch oven cooking, it's gonna be right up there. We'll see you next time.